Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to review the vocabulary words for Yeh-Shen by Gina Sabella, illustrated by Jill Dubin. This is also in lesson 28 of the Journeys second grade textbook. So for this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper. And on that piece of paper, you're going to write the numbers 1 through 16. So if you need to, push pause, get a pencil and a piece of paper, write the numbers 1 through 16, and you will write the correct vocabulary word that fits each sentence or group of words. That's our goal. So let's review our vocabulary. Task, glimmering, served, content, worn, overjoyed, concealed, and valuable. So let's start with our learning target. Every lesson has a learning target, and it's like reaching the top of the learning mountain. So let's read it together. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. So read it again with me. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Now here's our success criteria. That means how will you know you're successful at reaching the learning target or the top of the mountain? Here's our steps for success. I will read each sentence or group of words. Number 2, I will choose the vocabulary word that best fits each sentence. Number 3, I will write the correct word on my whiteboard or paper. So remember, you need a piece of paper, a pencil, and number it 1 through 16. You only need to write the correct vocabulary word, not the entire sentence. So let's get started. After dinner, we were blank dessert. After dinner, we were task dessert, glimmering dessert, served dessert, or content dessert. So what makes best sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence, the context? After dinner, we were served dessert. After dinner, we were served dessert. So the root word is serve, and served is in the past tense. So write that for number 1, S-E-R-V-E-D, served, served. Number 2, her blue shoes were blank out because she loved to wear them every day. Her blue shoes were worn out because she loved to wear them every day. Her blue shoes were overjoyed out. Her blue shoes were concealed out, or her blue shoes were valuable out. What makes best sense? Noticing the picture clues and the context or where the word is in the sentence. It's worn. Her blue shoes were worn out because she loved to wear them every day. Remember, worn means used and old. And if you look at that picture, those shoes look used and old. Worn, W-O-R-N, worn. Number 3, the princess's crown was blank as she walked down the aisle. The princess's crown was blank as she walked down the aisle. Would it be the princess's crown was task? The princess's crown was glimmering? The princess's crown was served? Or the princess's crown was content? What makes best sense given our picture clues? Look at that picture closely and also the context of where the word is in the sentence. Glimmering. Do you see the glimmering diamonds in her crown? The princess's crown was glimmering as she walked down the aisle. Glimmering. The root word is glimmer, Glimmer, and then we add the ing, glimmering. Number 4. The baby was blank with her present. Look at the context clues, the pictures. Look at that picture. What does she look like? How do you think she's feeling? And look at the context of where the word is in the sentence. The baby was blank with her present. The baby was worn with her present. The baby was overjoyed with her present. The baby was concealed with her present. Or the baby was valuable with her present. Overjoyed. That looks like a feeling of overjoyed, full of joy. Overjoy, that's the root word, overjoy, and then you put ed at the end, overjoyed. And if I'm going too fast for you, you can stop the video, pause it, and write the word out, overjoyed. Number 5, the kids were blank going to the gym instead of outside for recess. The kids were blank going to the gym instead of going outside for recess. The kids were task going to the gym. The kids were glimmering going to the gym. The kids were served going to the gym. Or the kids were content going to the gym. It is content. They're happy. They were happy going to the gym instead of outside for recess. The kids were content going to the gym instead of outside for recess. Content. Content, content. Number 6, I couldn't see his eyes because they were blank by sunglasses. Look at the picture. Look at the sentence. I couldn't see his eyes because they were blank by the sunglasses. I couldn't see his eyes because they were worn by the sunglasses. They were overjoyed by the sunglasses. They were concealed by the sunglasses, or they were valuable by the sunglasses. Concealed. Remember, to conceal means to cover or hide. Can you see the llama's eyes? No, you can't because they're covered by the sunglasses. Concealed. Conceal is the root word, conceal, and then the ed ending, concealed. Number 7, to earn some money, my parents gave me a blank to complete. To earn some money, my parents gave me a blank to complete. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing? To earn some money, my parents gave me a task to complete, a glimmering to complete, a served to complete, or a content to complete. What makes best sense given our context clues of pictures and where the word is in the sentence? Task. To earn some money, my parents gave me a task to complete. Task. 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 Number 8. He found out that the painting he just bought was very blank. Look at our picture clues and look where the word is in the sentence. He found out that the painting he just bought was very blank. The painting he bought was very worn. The painting he bought was very overjoyed. The painting he bought was very valuable. Or the painting he bought was concealed. Sorry, I said that out of order. What makes best sense? He found out that the painting he just bought was very valuable. It had a lot of value. valuable, valuable. Number 9, what's a synonym, which means the same, for satisfied and happy? What's a synonym, which means the same, for satisfied and happy? Task, glimmering, served, or content. What means the same as satisfied and happy? Look at our picture clues. Think of our words. It is content. Content means to be satisfied and happy. Content. content, content. Number 10. What's a synonym for damaged and used a lot? Look at our picture clues. Think of the words. Means the same as damaged and used a lot. Worn, overjoyed, concealed, or valuable. If you saw the sneak peek, it was worn. WORN. It means used. Number 11, what's a synonym for prepared and offered? Look at our picture clues. Remember those pictures? Prepared and offered. Would it be task, glimmering, served, or content? Served. To serve someone means to offer it to them and prepare it for them. Served. SERVED. The root word is serve. Served is past tense. Number 12. SpongeBob was very blank when he finally became the manager of the Krusty Krab. SpongeBob was worn when he finally became the manager, was overjoyed when he finally became the manager, SpongeBob was concealed when he finally became the manager, or SpongeBob was valuable when he finally became the manager. Well, look at your picture. What does he look like? He looks overjoyed. Past tense, overjoy, overjoyed. OVERJOYED, overjoyed. Number 13, what's a synonym for job and chore? What's a word that means the same, a synonym for job and chore? Would it be task, glimmering, served, or content? So look at our picture clues. Look at the words that are the same, job and chore. Task, 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 because a task is a job and it is a chore. Number 14, you might put blank items in a safe or locked box. You might put blank items in a safe or locked box. You might put worn items in a safe or locked box. You might put overjoyed items in a safe or locked box. You might put concealed items in a safe or locked box. Or you might put valuable items in a safe or locked box. What would you put in a safe? Valuable items, things that are worth a lot of money. They have a lot of value. VALUABLE, value, valuable. Number 15, what's a synonym for shining and sparkling? What's a word that means the same for shining and sparkling? Would it be task, glimmering, served, or content? It would be glimmering. Remember, glimmering is sparkly, shining. Glimmer is the root word, GLIMMER, glimmer, and then glimmering, ING. Last picture, number 16. What is a synonym or a word that means the same for hidden and covered. So look at the pictures, look at the words, hidden and covered. What means the same? Worn, overjoyed, concealed, or valuable. Concealed. To conceal means to hide or cover. Conceal is the root word, C-O-N-C-E-A-L, and E-D, past tense, concealed. Nice work, you have mastered your vocabulary words. At the top of your paper, I want you to reflect on your learning today. How did you do meeting the learning target? I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I easily selected all the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Would you give yourself a 3? I was able to select most of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or 2, I was able to select some of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or 1, I was not able to select any of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. So write your reflection on the top. And thank you, boys and girls, for reviewing the vocabulary words from Yeh-Shen with me. Have a great day.